Would you love having the freedom of owning a place here at Lake of the Ozarks and not having any maintenance that comes with it? If so, you are going to love this beautifully updated townhome that offers resort-style living. With the yard maintenance included and having access to all of the Four Seasons amenities, this place is located right across from the historic Lodge of the Four Seasons. Welcome to Country Club Cove. What's great about this two-level townhome is it offers main level living, and it has this screened-in porch right off the dining room area that offers those amazing lake views. On the lower level is an additional living room, a wet bar, a second screened-in porch, and an additional open area lower deck. This luxury townhome just keeps getting better and better. Right behind me is the community boat docks that has a 12 by 32 slip that comes included with this property. There's the community pool right here in front, and there's one of the Four Seasons beautiful golf courses that's all just a golf cart ride away. Give us a call today to schedule your private showing.